Simple Truth has out 3 flavors: mint chocolate, caramel, and strawberry. So let's see, for 120 calories, which one you like the best. First, we have the strawberry. If you like strawberry, this is the perfect combination. Creamy and delicious. Mint chocolate chip. If you like mint and chocolate, this is right up your alley. Creamy, delicious. Next, I have caramel. This one, you can taste the caramel all the way through. All 3 of these are delicious. It just depends what you're in the mood for. Let me know.